go. Your brain isn't tired, it's literally drowning in cheap dopamine. I locked my phone in a vault deep in the jungle for 24 hours to reboot my mind. Endless doom scrolling literally fries your baseline dopamine receptors. That's why normal life suddenly feels boring as hell. By hour 2, your brain goes into full panic mode. You reach for your pocket every 3 minutes because your neural pathways are starving. To survive without screens, you force high sensory resets, like drinking ice water to shock your nervous system back into reality. Staring at natural sunlight and green canopy foliage forces your eyes out of screen lock and calms your adrenal system. Hour 6 hits brutal. Your brain is begging for a quick fix. Even checking an email feels like a drug hit right now. Double inhabit breathing flushes cortisol out of your system in under 60 seconds. Total biological override. By hour 12, something insane happens. Your baseline resets, and simple natural stimuli start feeling incredible again. Without digital brain fog cluttering your head, your creative output explodes. I wrote 5 video scripts in 2 hours. The secret is eliminating trigger access. If you leave your phone next to your bed, your willpower loses 100% of the time. Physical grounding and tactile texture exposure speed up neural recovery. Get off the screen and touch real surfaces. Hour 18 feels like taking off dirty glasses you didn't know you were wearing. Pure God mode mental clarity. Neuroscience calls this D2 receptor upregulation. You're literally building new receiver antennas for joy in your brain. Stop letting multi-billion-dollar algorithms turn your brain into a slot machine addict. Hour 24. Time's up. The vault unlocks, and my brain feels 100% brand new. I picked up my phone, and for the first time in years, I didn't even feel the urge to open a social app. Total control. You don't have to live in a cave forever. Just run a 12 to 24-hour detox once a month to keep your mind sharp. I challenge you to lock your phone away for just 12 hours this Sunday. Are you brave enough to try it? Drop a comment below telling me if you're taking the Dopamine Detox Challenge this weekend. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next science-backed brain cheat code. Reset your receptors, protect your mental focus, and let's win. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye!